Welcome all. In this video we shall solve one more gate question from number system. The statement is that the number of bytes that are required to represent the decimal number 1856357 in packed BCD. So if you see the earlier I can say video which was regarding the BCD, we have converted one number there into BCD. So I told you that if suppose we talk about the BCD representation, it is nothing but each digit has to be written by using 4 bits. So it means if we take some examples, suppose the number is 15. So this 15 being a decimal number, if you want to convert this into a BCD code, so each digit I have to write with 4 bits of data. So 1 would be like 0001 and 5 will be 0101, right? Or if suppose a number is 975, if I have to convert this into BCD, each digit I will represent with 4 bits of binary. So 9 is 1001, 7 is 0111 and 5 is 0101, correct? In the same way, the number that is given here, what the number is, it is of no significance. We shall see that number can be anything, doesn't matter. 1856357. The idea what is to be extracted from here is important. So what we understood or what we concluded is that each can say digit is taking 4 bits. Okay, this is taking 4 bits and so on. So we just have to count to solve this question. We just have to count how many digits we are having. How many digits are we having? So if we will count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we are having total 7 digits. Digit will take 4 bits, so 7 digits will take how many bits? So one digit takes 4 bits, right? So therefore 7 digits will take 4 into 7, which is equal to 28 bits. Now if you look at this question, there are no options given, okay, because you might be knowing that in gate there are two types of questions that come. One is where options are given to you, and there is a next set of questions where no options are provided as well. They are numerical type, so there are no options here. So what is the answer? If you are writing your answer here as 28, then your answer is wrong. Why is that wrong? Because the answer that we have calculated right now, that answer is in bits, so we have to be cautious. While as what he is asking is he wants answer in the bytes. So we all know if we are having 8 bits, 8 bits will be 1 byte. So what about 28 bits then? If we talk about 28 bits, it will be 28 by 8, which will be around 3.5, but half bit we won't take, so we can say it is equal to 4 bytes. So the answer of this question would be how much? 4 bytes. So numerical answer is 4. So that's it from this particular question. If you are having any questions, please raise in the comment section. I will see you in the next video.